When he was just 17, his father fell ill and Nirmal Minda had to take over the family's auto parts business.
It was a struggle time. Most of the vehicle manufacturers rejected us. My job was selling and collecting funds. To collect 25,000, it used to take 7-8 days. You need to go every day, say hello to them. I remember one instance, I could not bring the money from Calcutta, from Hind Motors, and one of our managers sent me back to Calcutta again. He says, go and bring the money, then only enter the office. I used to spend my day in 5 rupees. That was a kind of a hardship. One dealer, in Madurai was calling us at 12, come at 3, come at 7, come at 9, 10 o'clock just to collect the order. And then he started liking me. He said, okay, how much order you want now? Because you are sincere to your job. So at that time he gave me an order of 50,000.
Then a twist of fate proved to turn Nirmal Minda's destiny.
We had a huge quality issues in Maruti since we were supplying them from their inception of 83. The products, components we were supplying, there was a warranty failure. So we were having a technology gap. So we were searching for some technology partner. Finally, we could get a good partner, which is a world-renowned Toyota supplier, that is Tokai Rika. I went to Japan for a training for Japanese management practices, so-called Kaizen, so-called business planning, cost reduction program.
From there on, there was no looking back.
We could improve our quality and warranty failure was zero. We invested in new machines.
Year after year, we set goals to add new components, look for joint venture partners.
So I developed a team. 2 or 3 joint ventures are bifurcated in each CEOs. I tell them that, okay, the trust and relationship and win-win is the key with the partners.
Today, with a range of more than 25 products, 15 joint ventures, 3 cross-border acquisitions, 58 manufacturing facilities across the world, and more than 20,000 employees, Nirmal Minda feels his journey has just begun.
I've been promoting R&D. I said, let us create some patent. And my vision is to become a technological, self-reliant organization.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nirmal Minda.